Alrighty, friends. So today I have a nice surprise for you guys. Remember I told you guys last video that my birthday was coming up and that my husband, my family was asking me what I would like for my birthday. And I don't need anything, so I couldn't think of anything. And so I just told them it would be fun to do a couple of unboxings, like mystery boxes, and do an unboxing for you guys of different things. So today the first box came in, and this is a Goodwill Bluebox shoe mystery box. So I'm not affiliated with them whatsoever, so I just want you guys to know that this is all for pure fun. And you're supposed to get 5 pairs of shoes. It says, let me read it to you. Okay, so inside the box it says here on the description, 5 pairs of shoes available in various styles and brands, primarily sneakers and tennis shoes, but may also include heels, wedges, sandals, and more. Brands may consist of Nike, Adidas, New Balance, Converse, Vans, Hunter, mall brands, trending style shoes, and others. Items are pre-owned and may exhibit for varying degrees of wear. So clearly not all of these are going to be in wonderful shape. The box was $29.99, which is pretty good for 5 pairs of shoes. And then I think that the shipping was $9.99. So all I need to do is get like 2 pairs of sellable shoes in here, and I will be able to get the money back for what the price of the box was. So I am excited to dig in. So let me see how I'm going to do this. Hold on one second. Alright guys, I just went ahead and had to switch around a little bit here. Got my handy dandy kid scissors here. I told you about this. I got about 100 pair of these off of out of a storage unit, and I refuse to throw them away, so we're using them. Let's see if I can get in here with it. And this box comes from, I think, North Carolina. Tape is falling apart, guys. The tape is falling apart. Hold on one second. Maybe it'd be easier to cut it. Maybe my kid scissors weren't such a great idea after all. We'll get there. People will be in the comments. You could have done this off the camera. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. They really taped the crap out of it, so sorry for the delay. One little piece left to get off here. Alright, guys. What the hell, did we get a pair of slippers? Okay, sorry. I'm cracking myself up. Let's get this wide open so I can see what we have in here. Well, that's a little bit discouraging to get slippers in the shoebox. And I never even heard of these before. Fabletics. Have you guys heard of that before? I don't know anything about it. But they do feel pretty good though. They're nice and soft, and they do have a thing on here, so maybe that is a good brand. I'm not really sure. We'll have to look those up. That's our first pair. And like I said, it should come with 5 pair in here, so Oh, not off to a good start here, guys. Got kids' shoes in here. But it's all for fun, guys. This is all for fun. Right? It's all about the mystery. So anyways, we have kids, Nautica. I'm not sure. I don't sell kids' shoes, but who knows? You never know. They could be worth something. Got another pair of kids' shoes. Nautica. Where's the other one? This is pair number 3. I don't know, guys. What are you thinking so far? Slippers and 2 pair of kids' shoes so far. We're off to a rocky start. Okay. Let's see what this is. These are a pair of boots. Women's boho black high heel boots, size 5. That's not really a good size. It's real small. You know, anything under, I would say like an 8, 7.5 really. But anything smaller than like a 7 is really hard to sell. But like I said, this is all for fun. We definitely got more than 5 pair of shoes, so that's good. That's a plus. Johnson and Murphy. I've sold those before, but not in sneakers, in dress shoes. And then these are like canvas shoes, canvas sneakers. Yeah, these are supposed to be mostly sneakers, so it said mostly sneakers and yeah, canvas shoes. So it's only 1 pair so far of sneakers. That's what I did today, guys. In my last video, I showed you guys my my thrifting haul, my massive thrifting haul I did on 40% off day. That's what I did today, was I cleaned all of the shoes, the soles of the shoes and stuff like that, and got them all nice and ready to be listed. That's time consuming, but shoes are where it's at for me, you know, because like I said, I can sell, you know, shirts and pants all day long, but I don't get the profit I do off of the shoes when I'm selling shoes. What are you guys thinking so far? Wow, you're really zoomed in. Sorry about that. High heels. I don't like selling high heels. To me, I think comfort shoes sell way better than high heels, but they're very colorful. Allegra K. Have you guys heard of that brand before? Definitely got more than 5 pair of shoes in here. So for $29, I think this is a phenomenal box considering the amount of shoes that I got. Clark's. I like Clark's. I used to sell Clark's very, very well. Like, they were like a big seller for me when I was selling them. You know, when I would pick up, you know, a whole bunch of them to sell. Clark's I always did good with. And these are nice comfort shoe. How do you guys do? Do you guys sell Clark's? Do you have good luck with them? They're in good shape. Alright guys, we're down to the last pair. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pair of shoes, guys. Can't beat that. Alright guys, let's hope and pray this is a good pair of champions. Let's hope and pray, guys. Fingers crossed. Ready? Women's Champion Rally. Hype Low Spice Almond. Alright. Those are interesting. I'm sorry, I've never seen anything like this before. Are these like sock shoes? Have you guys ever seen anything like this before? They're in really good condition. Holy cow. Kind of hoping to get a pair of Nikes in here. But I think because I have so many pair of shoes that I will definitely be able to make some money off of this box. But it would have been nice to get a pair of Nikes in here, or a pair of Jordans, or something of the sort. But I mean, these are in really good condition. I'm gonna look these up as soon as I get off of here. So, alright guys, so what is that, 8 pair of shoes? Well, 7 pair of shoes and a pair of slippers. So, I don't really want to put these on the table. But remember, I got the kids' shoes. I got 2 pair of kids' shoes. Which I can even probably bring this to one of those kids consignment stores and see if they would buy these from me. Have you guys ever done that? If you have anything that you get in like reseller boxes and you're not going to feel comfortable selling them, you could send them to ThredUp. You could go to the consignment stores, the kids consignment stores. And a lot of times I've done that where I had a massive amount of clothes from a storage unit and I just looked at them and it was just so overwhelming because they were all in black bags and there was so much clothes, guys, so much, that I ended up bringing them into consignment and I had a lot of it consigned. Whatever they could take, I had them buy it from me. So if you guys are ever in a pinch for money, that's always a good way to get a couple of dollars. Bring it to one of the consignment stores. All right, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6. I never heard of this brand before. 7. And these slippers are super soft. I'm not happy that I got slippers in here, but these are very, very super soft. You know. Fabletics. I'm going to have to look all of these up. See, that's another good thing about these mystery boxes. I'm going to have to look up brands I've never heard before, because I would not normally even pick them up to even look at them to you know, look at their comps or whatever. I would not normally pick these up. So no, it's going to force me to do some, you know, some investigating on a lot of these shoes. So I'm very happy to, you know, to be able to go through these because I love, you know, love new stuff. And I'm a little disappointed, like I said, because I really would have liked a pair of Nikes in here. That would have really been awesome. But or even a pair of Asics or a pair of Brooks, anything that I know that I could have sold. You know, like none of these shoes do I know the sell-through rate on them, so I don't know. Other than the Clarks, those the brand Clarks I've sold before because they're a good comfort shoe. But other than that, I don't really know. But thank God I got extras, so if one doesn't do very well, maybe the other ones will. So who knows, guys? You know, it's all about trying new things and having fun with it. And so that's what we got. I'm gonna do some investigating on my computer, see what we have here. I'll try and leave some snapshots of what they're selling for online so you can kind of get an idea. But it's a great way to try and make a couple of extra dollars. All of those shoes were $29, guys, even though they're not, famous brand name shoes that I'm familiar with. You never know. Who knows? I mean, Champion is, I think, usually a pretty good brand. I don't know how they are in shoes. I know in clothing they're a good brand to pick up, so maybe I'll luck out with these sock looking shoes and make some money off of it. They look like they're almost in like brand new condition, so who knows. But I do have some more mystery boxes coming in. I have 4. Now these are all birthday gifts, keep in mind, so that's even better. I didn't even have to pay for them. My family members bought them for me for my birthday. So I have 4 thread up mystery jean boxes, and I think, what is it, 30 pounds. Each box has 30 pounds of denim in it. And I've done that before back in like 2023. I ordered a box of denim and I did pretty good. Like I said, I would send in some of my clothing that I didn't feel like listing. And then what happens when they sell, they give you a credit. And so I used that credit to purchase a mystery jeans box, denim box. So it cost me $4, I think, for it. And I ended up getting a jean jacket in there. I got a denim dress. It was definitely worth what they were asking for as far as resale. But it's a great way to, because I know like if you send in your clothing to consign it with ThredUp, they only allow you to stay, for it to stay up for sale for so long. And once that time expires, you either have to take your clothes back or they send them off to mystery bundles. And that's what I'm actually getting. I'm going to be getting mystery bundles from jeans and denim that didn't sell as quick as it should. I think they give you like 90 days to sell it or something, and if you don't sell it, you have to take it back, or it goes into mystery boxes, and then they resell it. So that's another thing that you could look into if you're interested in. Like, you can't pick a certain size or anything. You get all different sizes. You can get men's, women's, children's. I mean, it's all mixed up, but it's all denim, just like these. You can't pick what you want. It's shoes, basically. But it was a little misleading that they said it would be mostly sneakers when I only got 2 pair of shoes out of 8. 2 pair of sneakers. So, but like I said, I'm not complaining by any way, shape, or form. I'm excited that I got to do this. And now I'm going to go look these up, and stay tuned, because I'm going to probably post a ThredUp. I didn't get the ThredUp boxes yet, but I'll probably post those on Thursdays for like a Thrifty Thursday or something like that. Start doing something like that on the channel. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and leave a comment down below if you've ever tried the Goodwill mystery boxes from the Goodwill Blue Boxes, and how did you do with it? I know they have so many other different curated boxes. You can do jewelry, you can do clothing. There's just, you can do like video games. I mean, there's just so many different things, and it's all a mystery when you get it. So yeah, I'm super excited that I tried this, and yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll leave screenshots in the video, throughout the video, and let you know what the cost per pair of shoes are going for online for sale. So all right, guys, if you like this kind of content, would you please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Feel free to hype this out if you're able to. And as always, friends, thanks for watching, and stay blessed.